Namaste. I, Akashdeep Sayan, head boy of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 29th January 2022. First of all, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज माघ माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की द्वादशी तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र मूल, आज का योग व्यघात है। प्रविष्टे की बात करें तो आज माघ माह के 16 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह जमत उल्सानी की आज 25 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I would request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Now it's time to chant shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे संवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकः पाण्डवाश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत सञ्जय कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा करं फलहेतुर्भूर्मा ते सङ्गोत्स्वकर्मणि कर्मण्येव हि संसिद्धि मा स्थिता जनकादयः लोकसङ्ग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि एवं ज्ञात्वा कृतं कर्म पूर्वैरपि मुमुक्षुभिः कुरु कर्मैव तस्मात् त्वं पूर्वै पूर्वतरं कृतं ब्रह्मण्याधाय कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यते न स पापेन पद्मपत्रमिवाम्भसा आत्मोपम्येन सर्वत्र समं पश्यति योऽर्जुन सुखं वा यदि वा दुःखं स योगी परमो मतः.
Now I would like to invite Charvi of class 4th to share mathematical facts with us through a beautiful poem. Namaste Charvi.
Namaste. I, Charvi of class 4th B, is going to recite a poem on Bodmas. Before reciting poem, I will tell you what is Bodmas. Bodmas is an acronym to help students remember the order of mathematical operations, the correct order in which to solve maths problems. Bodmas stands for B brackets, O orders, powers, indices or roots, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. Now let's recite a poem. Curly square or round, Don't look elsewhere when brackets are around. Next is off to find with division right behind. As answers begin to fly, search for multiply. Now no need to be sad, for you have to simply add. For achieving perfection, finish the remaining subtraction. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Charvi. Now, I would like to invite Gitanchi of class 7th B to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekananda. Namaste, Gitanchi.
Namaste, I am Gitanshi of class 7B. Today I am going to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekanand ji. The thought is you cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. I am repeating my thought. You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, Gitanchi. Now, it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is birthday of Kartik Guleria of 7th B and Anshika Gupta of 3rd A. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you all for sharing your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it for today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.